Welcome back, fellas, into this new PDF Tech Express. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started with your WordPress website in the 2026. So building a website in 2026 is faster than ever. We're going to be moving past drag and drop into the prompt and build. So gone are the days of heavy page builders slowing down your site, because you're going to be using the block editor and the AI assistants to get pro sites right away. So Google rewards green hosting, so we can choose a provider that uses renewable energy and built-in ad catching. So most hosts now have an AI onboarding wizard. So to get started with a blog theme, you wanted to use that element into the ultra lightweighting. So I recommend the default 2025 theme, or all it is support full site editing, which lets you change your header and footer without any extra plugins. So notice that new style side panel, you can change your entire site color panel and typography with one click using the style variations. So the first thing, of course, is to focus directly into WordPress.com. You can go for the option that says create your own element and go for the option that says edit your site. Directly here into edit your site, this is the part where you can now start with the actual whole editor. So we can go for the option that says get started, and we are now directly inside our actual Word element. We have the template element here into the right section. Here is the content. You can choose a header. You can see how it actually appears the footer, but more on that later. Let's go directly here into the site and choose the option that says styles. Now, the styles can be helping you, of course, to focus and make this much more interesting. Let's see, for example, I focus with this style. And you can see that this one has a review change. The site includes premium styles that are only visible to visitors after plan upgraded to the premium plan. So this is totally optional. If you wanted to focus for a website which is totally for free directly here into WordPress, that's totally optional. But if you wanted, of course, to do this, let's say with a paid plan, what you can do is to focus here into sites, go for add new site, and you can go from with AI or go with create it yourself. Let's go for create with the artificial intelligence. Directly inside here, it might be asking you how would you like to get started with this specific prompt. Now, prompts is where you tell the artificial intelligence what are you actually looking for. Let's say create a blogging on music for video games. Be changing, for example, video game music blog, a blog dedicated to explore music in video games, feature reviews, composer reviews, and analysis of the soundtracks, music. You can go for the option that says create my site. So just like that, the AI will be understanding your prompt. It will be, let's say, asking you for what exactly you are looking for this actual website, and just like that, it will be generating you the actual site. Applying button styles, applying fonts, applying color themes, schemes, the drag and drop build elements, so you can just now edit it automatically in your own site, and you don't have to do a lot of that. So there are essential plugins that you can add. I am not going to be focusing a lot on that, because basically if you wanted to focus only for the free version, you wanted to focus only with the information that you're going to be posting directly here into WordPress. In this case, only focusing with, for example, a blogging element. So I have my header, I have here the content, and down here I have my actual footer. So basically this is just like the basic of what I actually needed in order for continuing here, right? So I don't have to do so much directly in there, but there are a few plugins that can be helping you to make this process much more faster. Here into the 2026, less is more, so you only need 4 core plugins to get started. Something that I truly loved to use, for example, is let's go for choose a plan. You can choose from the premium or the business plan. Now, the AI plan, it only is available for premium or the businesses. So if you like that element, you must have an actual paid plan in order to continue, right? So you're gonna head over back directly here to WordPress, and I'm gonna show you just a few sites that, of course, can be helping you to make this process much more faster. Directly inside the home screen, I'm gonna hit into the option that says my home dashboard. This will be sending you directly back into the editor website builder. You click into the option that says plugins and add plugin. Now the first that I'm going to be showing you that mostly almost everybody uses is the Rank Math AI. Now the rank math AI is, it doesn't just check keywords, it actually helps AI search engines like the Perplexity find and summarize your actual content. If you have the opportunity to install this application, I strongly suggest you to do it so. Now the second application, the second plugin, it's called the Solid Security. Now the Solid Security, usually by Stellar WP, is just handle the two-factor authenticator, which is now mandatory for safer sites. So for more security, I strongly recommend you guys to activate that element directly into your plugins. Now I'm going to show you something else that is called the flying press. So I'm going to go flying press here. Basically what this does is that this ensures that you pass the core web vitals tests, right? So which is a massive ranking factor this year. So I can strongly suggest you to activate that. And lastly, the AI engine. Now the AI engine is one of my favorite because this adds a chatbot to your site, something that I think is really cool, and learns from your pages to answer customers' questions. This is, for example, for people who want to make some sales directly inside there or want to create a strong community, right? So before you go live, you can check your site health. WordPress will tell you if your PHP version is outdated or if your images are too large. So hit publish, your site is going to be live and you're actually good to go. You can edit it all directly inside the element that says all the pages you have by default: a card, checkout, my account, privacy policies, refunds, and draft. But all of those are up here into draft. By first, of course, you need to click into the element that says publish it, like this. And for example, let's say that I go for my sample page and go for view to see how it actually looks my sample page. This is just an example of how it actually looks my actual website. So just a bonus tip, you can run your URL through carbon calculator. A low carbon site isn't just good for the planet, so it's usually the fastest loading site on the actual website. Just build a actual website ready to use. So if you wanted to know which AI content tools I use to write my blog post, you can let me know in the comments below. So thank you once again for watching, guys, and hopefully with all that's been said, we're gonna see you guys well next time.